I assume this isn't like any... okay, lid. Hey guys, Jem again, and I have got Lit Monthly here for May 2019. I have not seen any spoilers, so I am excited to see what we got. Oh, the bag's kind of cute. It's kind of like a thick cotton, maybe like a canvas style bag, but we've got the little ladies with their lipsticks. No liners on these bags, and here is... we got 4 items this month, it looks like, and here is our spoiler card. It's Girl Power for May 2019. Awesome, love it. And since there's only 4 items, I guess we can go ahead and do the spoiler. We've got a velvet lipstick, a feather matte liquid lipstick, ultimate lip liner, and hydrating balm. So this one's at the top, City Color Hydrating Balm. Let's get into you. Maybe, if she will allow it. Ooh, okay, I lost the whole bottom of that. Okay, so I assume this isn't like any type of lipstick. Oh my gosh, it's like a bath crown. Look at that. You gotta just, that's strange. Okay, I'm just gonna put a little bit here and a little on my lips. Oh, it's like really grapey. It reminds me of when they did a lip balm for like grape sweet tarts. I actually did not think I was gonna be impressed with that, but I actually like that quite a bit. So City Color Hydrating Balm in grape flavor, I guess. Then Inspired by You Feather Matte Liquid Lipstick by IBY Beauty. It's not open friendly. Geez, look at that. You're too strong. Okay, so we have a nice kind of nude color here. Put that under where I put the lip balm. Oh, that's almost like a brown. And this eye pencil is going crazy. So Lord and Berry number 51. Ultimate lip liner in Bear number 3044. Okay, I wonder what the number 51 is. Okay, and that is like a totally normal pencil. Does not draw the smoothest, but it gets on there. So yeah, I think those colors work pretty well together. I'll let you experts tell me if you think it does or doesn't. And then finally, Laritzi Cosmetics Velvet Liquid Lipstick. Paraben-free, cruelty-free, designed in Montreal, and our color is Legend. Oh, it says the color of this was nude. So yes, it is a very nude color, literally. Okay, here we go. Here's a little bit more pop to it. We've got like a dark metallic-y red. Whew, okay, I really like that one. So that's it. That's our May 2019 Lit Monthly bag. Of course, Lit Monthly's deal is that they only do stuff for your lips. I would normally say I have a referral code, but I'm not sure it's going to work anymore because I was in a 3-month obligation to Lit Monthly and then I canceled. Just honestly, for what they're charging, I feel like Ipsy gives me more. Even though Ipsy is sample sized and Lit Monthly is full sized, I just feel like I get more variety, and I really haven't used any sample lipstick to completion to where I needed to throw it away, so it's not like, you know, I'm running out of what I'm getting from Ipsy, and the bags from Ipsy are just a good bit better quality. I have one here on the side still. It's just, if you see, the Ipsy bag is not only bigger, but it's a much nicer material. It's lined, it's got a really nice specialty zipper, and the Ipsy is almost like hidden on there. It's not really broad and obnoxious, and even though I think this is a cute design, it's just like, I don't know, it's just like fabric that you would get at the store and somebody sewed it together and sewed a zipper on top. Like, it's nowhere near as nice as the Ipsy stuff, even though these are full-size products and Ipsy is not. It's just not doing it for me. So this is my last Lit Monthly. It has not made it to another round of the beauty box face-offs. Sorry if that disappoints anybody. It's not that I don't like Lit Monthly, I just think that there's better values out there for what I'm getting, and I'm just getting so much lip stuff right now. I mean, really, I don't need a whole new lip look every single month. I just don't use makeup that much. Anyways, thank you for listening to me ramble on. You've heard McGann carry on like a crazy person. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, all that jazz. Leave me a comment every so often if you can. Always appreciate some feedback, and I will see you next time, my dear family members.